प्रिया मैडम उधर देखो पाठक का फोटो में from this side come to this side
give a big hand. Now we are going to invite Pathak sir to present bouquet to honorable principal sir. Give a big hand. Now, academic director sir. Now I would invite Pathak sir to give bouquet to our honorable academic director sir. Give a big hand. Again, I would like to call Pathak sir to give bouquet to Mrs. Neera Amrit ma'am. Thank you, Pathak sir. Now, we are going to invite our honorable chairman sir, principal sir, academic director, vice principal on the stage for lamp lighting ceremony.
वीडियो बना रही हो
यस यस यस
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to invite Mrs. Neera Amrit ma'am, Seema ma'am and Pathak sir to give blessing to these students by doing the tilak ceremony. that according to our Hindu culture, before celebration any function, we think of Lord Ganesha.
God can never lie, God can never lie. Those whom God cherish, God wouldn't have them perish.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्य कोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्न कुरु मे देव सर्व कार्येषु सर्वदा. Now we are going to invite Surbi and Srishti for Ganesh Vandana. Give a big hand for her.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थाय गुरुविक्रमाय गुरुप्रवराय गुरवे गुरुगुरवे
ऐसे बच्चों का भी तो लो, बीच में पॉज कर दिया करो ना, ऐसे अपने आप टाइम देखते रहना, यहाँ से पता चल जाएगा क्या हो रहा है। और बच्चों का भी लो, टीचर्स का भी लो, सब कर लो, जो बैठे हुए हैं वो इधर जो है सब कर
लो। वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय
Lord Ganesha. Now is the time for badges distribution. We have such students that can think for the better UPLS. Now my humble request goes to Chairman Sir to hand over the badge to head boy of our school. Has Dhaga from 11th. invite Meera Amrit ma'am on the stage to hand over the badge to head girl of our school, Anshika Sharma.
Good morning, ma'am. Head girl of the school reporting, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Very good morning. Co-curriculum activity in charge reporting, sir. Thank you.
Give a big hand for him. It's a moment of great pleasure today. We wish that he will perform his duty honestly.
Now I would like to invite the academic director sir on the stage to give badge to discipline in charge Nitin Chaudhary from 11C.
Good morning, sir. Discipline in charge of the school reporting, sir. That's
Yes, I am very happy to give you some responsibility here, as I was giving the duty of installation of discipline charge. Discipline has a great importance in our life. I will not take your much time. मैं आपको इतिहास से दो एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ कि अगर आप डिसिप्लिन है, if you are disciplined, you will get success in your life. Otherwise, you will fail. मैंने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा है कि सन 71 के युद्ध में there was a war between India and Pakistan, and Indian army was a disciplined army, and Pakistan army was indisciplined army. There was a
come forward.
Give a big hand for him. Now I will allow the dear house in charge to please come on the stage. Blue House Captain Sharat Chaudhary, Yellow House Captain Aditya, Red House Captain Adesh, Green House Captain Abhijit. House in charge, Mr. Rajesh sir. Yellow House in charge, Mr. Vijay Kumar. Red House in charge, Mr. Khurshid sir. Green House in charge, Mr. Anuj Dhama sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now is the turn of Green House. Ali Dharma sir is going to hand over the badge to his house captain Abhijit.
Good morning, sir. Red House Captain reporting, sir.
Now is the time for Red House. Khurshid sir will hand over the badge to House Captain Adesh. Please give a huge round of applause for him. Join the circle clapping, please. Now is the turn of Yellow House. Yellow House in charge, Mr. Vijay Kumar, is going to hand over the badge to his House Captain Aditya. Give a big hand for him. To the House Vice Captain of Blue House. Blue House Vice Captain Navneet. Pradeep sir is going to hand over the badge to Blue House Vice Captain. Please give him his. Vice Captain is Aditya Balian.
Good morning, sir. Red House Vice Captain reporting, sir. Straight.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I am going to invite Mr. Anjeev sir to hand over the badge to the House Vice Captain of Yellow House, Aditya. Give a big hand for him. Thank you, sir. If niceness is your way, happiness can never be away. Now I would like to call Marcus sir on the stage to give words.
Rajesh, please come here.
अरे सीक्वेंस में तो खड़े हो जाओ कैसे खड़े हो
Please approve you and take position for oath. When I will announce my oath, after I will call your name. Now ready, start. I, as a student of NSPS, do swear in the name of God, affirm that I commit myself to the rules and regulations of our school. I will always speak in English and will motivate others also. With the spirit of teamwork, I wish to enhance the discipline and the pride of my school. I will give respect to the parents, teachers and all others. I will never harm school property and will never disobey the school rules. Thank you. You can move to your own position.
Please come on the stage.
Who? Principal?
For the certificate distribution. For thal decoration.
Name the students.
First, Priyanshi. Second, Vidushi. And third, Mahi.
From class 6A, Priyanshi, Vidushi and Mahi. Priyanshi. Who is Priyanshi?
The first position was got by Priyanshi. Give the hands for her. Second position got by Vidushi.
By principal, sir.
By principal, sir. And third position was got by Mahi, by academic director, sir.
Deep, sir.
Now I would like to invite Principal Sir to address the students on the stage. Give a huge round of applause for him.
Good morning, children. Respected Chairman Sir, Academic Director Sir, Nero Ma'am, my all honorable teachers and my lovely shining star of NS Public School students. Today we are very happy that we have formed the student council member and they are going to look after our school. So this is important thing and important day also. We have done all the things according to democratic rules. So all the students are selected by the voting system. Now this is their duty that they have to take their responsibility to uplift the school, maintain the discipline, spoken English and English environment in the school. So today I am thankful to Ma'am, Neha Ma'am, that she has helped a lot of things to organizing these activities, and Parveen Daga staff and all my supporting staff and all the teachers, and very thankful to Chairman Sir that he has always cooperated to us that you have to go ahead. But the thing is that what you are going to put in front of them. You always want that my school should be one. So I want to say that East and West NS Public School. East and West NS Public School. East and West NS Public School. Thank you, children.
Pass us, sir, for vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. We now, with a high sense of gratitude, offer up our sincere thanks to Almighty, the Creator and the Preserver. I would like also thanks to our Chairman Sir, because he has given a time slot and in his presence we have made this
event so special. I would like also thanks to our principal sir, Mr. Vijay Kumar, because according to his guidance, we have performed this activity. I would like also thanks to our academic director sir and Leela Vidyan. But the students who got this role and the teachers, I request everyone, please stand up from your seat because national anthem is going to be start. So take position for national anthem. I would like to everyone, but don't bother about that. Everybody knows that after a few days Diwali is going to be celebrated, and so for Diwali, in every year you have write a slogan saying no to crackers. But this time, okay, I will repeat and you will repeat the things. I will announce. Everybody will take old position, line please. Everybody will. Every teachers, students, all staff.
Teachers also.
Sir, what position?
Old position. I, your name. Again, don't laugh. I, this year, and the coming future, I will not use any other Chinese goods. Repeat in Hindi. मैं अपना नाम आने वाले समय में और इस दिवाली में किसी भी चाइनीज सामान का प्रयोग नहीं करूंगी। लोगों को समझाऊंगी कि इसे उपयोग में न लाए। I will use earthen pots, मिट्टी के दिए का प्रयोग करूंगा। And the last one, same note, and I will not use crackers. Thank you. Is that कि हम चाइनीज वस्तुओं का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे, मिट्टी के दिए जलाएंगे, जो आप लड़िया खरीद के लाते हैं वो ना लाएं। और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट टू आवर चेयरमैन सर कि he will elaborate these things more better. कि why should we will not?
गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। गुड मॉर्निंग। वेरी गुड। प्रिंसिपल सर और टीचर्स और मेरे प्यारे बच्चियों, जीवन में 3 चीज अहम होती है, DCC, D फॉर डिसिप्लिन, C फॉर कैरेक्टर और C फॉर कैरियर। इन तीनों चीजों पे जिसने कंट्रोल कर लिया, दुनिया उसके पीछे चलेगी, और जिसने कंट्रोल नहीं किया वो दुनिया के पीछे चलेगा। तो बेटे हमें बनना है कि दुनिया हमारे पीछे चले। डिसिप्लिन के बगैर कुछ नहीं है। डिसिप्लिन का मतलब है कोई भी अच्छा कार्य हमें समय पर करना चाहिए, ये डिसिप्लिन है। किसी भी बुरे कार्य के पास हमें नहीं जाना चाहिए, कोई भी बुरा कार्य हमें सोचना नहीं चाहिए, कोई भी बुरा कार्य हमें करना नहीं चाहिए। डिसिप्लिन का मतलब है कि अच्छे कार्य को फॉलो करना, वो डिसिप्लिन है। जैसे हम सुबह रोजाना उठते हैं, 4 बजे उठो या 5 बजे, जो भी टाइम है जिसका, नहाते हैं, स्कूल के लिए जाते हैं, तो एक रूटीन है रोजाना, यानी एक डिसिप्लिन में हम काम करते हैं। जो बच्चे रोजाना नहीं नहाते वो डिसिप्लिन को ब्रेक करते हैं, उस ब्रेक का असर उनकी लाइफ पर पड़ता है। जिसे मैं रोजाना देखता हूँ, ये समय पर ग्राउंड आएगा और अपने खेल में मग्न हो जाएगा, और बच्चे भी आते हैं लेकिन वो इधर उधर की बातें करते हैं। कब दूसरा आता है बेटे कैरेक्टर। हमारा कैरेक्टर अगर अच्छा है तो हमें कभी भी पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखने की जरूरत पड़ेगी। कैरेक्टर मीन जो भी काम हम करते हैं, कोई हम पर उंगली ना उठाए। दुश्मन का दोस्त भी दुश्मन होता है। हमारा दुश्मन है पाकिस्तान, पता है आप लोगों को सबको। तो पाकिस्तान की मदद कर रहा है चीन, और चीन का जो बाजार है वो पैसा हमारे देश से कमा रहा है और हमारे पीछे लगा रहा है। तो इसलिए हमें जो चाइनीज चीज है भले वो सस्ती मिले, उसका हमें इस्तेमाल नहीं करना, क्योंकि चाइनीज वस्तु किसी न किसी रूप में हमारे शरीर पे और हमारे देश पे उसका गलत असर जा रहा है। तो हम भारत के नागरिक हैं, हमें अपने देश के बारे में सोचना है, सही क्या हो रहा है, गलत क्या हो रहा है, और ये सोच यहाँ से आगे बढ़ेगी तभी हम कुछ कर पाएंगे। अगर बेटे हम चाइनीज सामान को बंद कर देंगे तो उनकी अर्थव्यवस्था टूट जाएगी। जब उनकी अर्थव्यवस्था टूटेगी तो वो मोदी जी के सामने गिड़गिड़ाएंगे कि जी आप जैसा क्या होगे, हम आपके साथ हैं, बस आप हमारा जो मार्केट है उसको चलने दे। तो मोदी जी की ताकत कौन है? हम लोग। अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे कि चाइनीज वस्तु नहीं खरीदेंगे, कुछ भी हो, टोए जो पटाखे कुछ भी हो, हमें नहीं खरीदना। आपको धन्यवाद। और जिन बच्चों को ये जिम्मेदारी मिली है वो बहुत अच्छे से निभाए। मेरा आशीर्वाद सदा उनके साथ रहे।
भारत माता की